Anderson. Mauricio Shogun Rua. Round one is underway. Shogun's brother Ninja, also a very successful fighter, and they come from good lineage. Their mother was a competitive track and marathon runner.
Follow, pop the hand.
Nice double leg.
You're okay.
Pushing his opponent away. Oh, he lets him up. Left hook is down! Diving punch into the guard. Passes to half guard. And back to full guard. He lets him up. Oh, head kick. Push kick.
2-3-2. Throw your low kick. 3.5. Keep moving to the outside.
Huge left and right. Those are snapping his head back, Mike. Oh, answered by a big body shot.
Circle around. Just get close to range.
Over the top. Under 3 minutes now.
1-6, 2-5.
Good combos here.
Follow your left kick with the right hand. Make him cover. See what he's going to do. Make him reach it and make him pay.
Oh, big combination. Nice body kick. Now looking for the takedown. He wants to double.
Come on, head movement. Let your hands
Nice
go.
sprawl. Good takedown defense.
You got 2 minutes, buddy. 1-6. Let your hands go. Don't do that.
He shoots in. Nice job. Double leg. Pushes him off of the feet, and he lets him back up.
Double the jab.
Good combination. That's a huge uppercut.
Circle. Don't throw while he's backing up.
He caught the kick. Joe, that big kick absolutely dropped it. Yeah, he kicked his legs out from under him there. Very effective technique.
Hands and legs. Go, circle.
Got the double underhooks.
Right base.
Oh, takes him for a ride. Oh, nice left and a right. Half guard. Side control again. Into full guard here. Pushing his opponent away.
Take
Big
your time.
knee.
Nice and relaxed.
Looking for the takedown. Our first round is in the books. Joe, both fighters seem determined to keep this fight standing. And the crowd here seems to appreciate a good striking match, Mike.
When you're throwing your punches, he's catching them.
Let's take a look at some of the action from that round, Mike. Here's that vicious shot. I thought this was a knockout right here.
Good. You're listening. Are you ready to fight? Are you ready?
This is round two, and here we go. He's hurt badly. He's down. Again, the takedown is stopped. Nice counter right hand. He shoots. Relentless takedowns here. Pushes him off of the feet. He decides to let him up. Countering and scoring big time. Oh, nice combination. A left hook and then an uppercut.
Keep moving. Use that reach. Push forward. Don't retreat.
Over the top of that big right.
He won't come forward. Stand in the middle. In and out. Take your face.
Nice combination.
Combos, yeah.
Excellent combination.
Patience.
Quick hands.
Step on the outside.
And good right hand counter.
Bigger combo when you
Again, he takes him down.
Head north, head north.
Big shot. He's rocked. He got blasted, but it looks like he snapped back pretty quickly. This is going north-south. You can finish it here with a choke. If he can flatten out his opponent, Joe, he can put in a choke here with both hooks in. Oh, that's a perfect way to get out of trouble. Just go out the back door.
Liver to overhead.
He caught the leg, and down he goes. I can't believe he got back to his feet, but he is hurt badly. reversal. Hua's cut here, Mike. He's in full guard.
Oh! That's the end of round number 2. Our fighters will move to the third and final round.
Great display of striking skills from both fighters in that round. Absolutely, Mike. It'll be interesting to see if they keep it on the feet in the third. Let's take a look at the replay from that round, Mike. That was a great display of counter-striking. Here's the...
Final punches. Hey,
Are you ready to fight? Are you ready? We are set for the third and final round of this non-title matchup.
he misses. Make him pay. Game plan. You know he's coming. Stick to the game plan.
Oh, big kick.
Missed on the takedown attempt.
Show him the job. Show it. Don't chase him. 9-2. Watch him trying to
Wow,
finish
that
him.
right hand. What a huge right hand.
Wow, looping hook there.
Joe, this building is electric. What a classic matchup. Good takedown defense. Missed that one. Boom!
Don't stay in his range. Press forward. Use your
He's got the
range.
double.
The cage right there worked against the takedown attempt.
Oh, huge slam.
Nicely
the half
done.
guard.
Feel those legs. Back up.
Under 3 minutes now.
He's in guard here.
Up and up. Up and up. Up and up.
Pushes him off of the feet.
Working your angles. Little pace. Little pace. Use your reach. Get inside.
Good sprawl.
Come on. Face. Face. Knee uppercut. Stop up and then run and throw it.
And he's down. Trying to escape. Controlling the top position. Big right hand.
Pushing his opponent away.
He lets him up.
1, 2, let's go. Come on, baby. 1, 2.
Duck cover and the uppercut scores.
Oh, big right hand.
Finishes it with the right hand. Mauricio Shogun Hua.
Let's take a look at the timing again. I mean, he just sets that up perfect. Here we see it again.
Instantaneous knockout victory. Watch it again, Joe. Wow. Right on the button. And with the official decision, here's Bruce Buffer.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Herb Dean has called a stop to this contest at 3 minutes, 47 seconds of